Almost all 25-year-olds are concerned about housing, with the majority surveyed as part of the Growing Up in Ireland study still living with their parents and facing lower levels of mental health at 25 than at 20. A cohort of young people born in 1998 have been surveyed at regular intervals, starting at the age of 9, as part of the study, with a glimpse into their lives in their mid-20s, revealing how they have fared so far in life, including in education, health and employment. The majority are optimistic about the future and most were satisfied with their lives when they were 25, between 2023 and 2024. But the survey has offered a stark glimpse into the lives of some of Gen Z's oldest members. Perhaps unsurprisingly, almost all 25-year-olds surveyed are concerned about the housing situation in Ireland. Just over 97% they were at least somewhat or very concerned about access to housing. Just under 70% were still living at home with their parents at the age of 25, with 6 in 10 revealing that this was mostly because of financial reasons. There's been a decline in the mental health of the group since they were 20 years old. Levels of self-reported depression, anxiety, stress and low self-esteem all increased in the space of 5 years. At the age of 25, more than half of men with a college degree were found to be drinking alcohol at a level that is categorised as hazardous or dangerous by the World Health Organization. The median weekly income for employment in 2022 for a respondent was €558, with significant income inequality already emerging in the group even at the age of 25. Respondents with a degree earned €613 a week, earned €128 more than those without, while just over 1/3 said they had difficulties in making ends meet. 1 in 8 of those contacted to take part had already immigrated by the age of 25, with the highest number of respondents moving to the UK, Australia and New Zealand.